Tutorial on hiding the breadcrumb on your WordPress site. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and modify the breadcrumb settings to create a cleaner, more minimalist appearance for your website. Start by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress homepage. Once loaded, locate the login area at the top right corner of the page and click on it. After clicking login, choose the option to continue with a third-party account, such as your Google account. Select the account you use for managing WordPress. This method provides a seamless and secure way to access your dashboard without needing an extra password. After signing in, go to the quick link section where you will find shortcuts to frequently used tools. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editor interface. In the top right corner, locate the three-dot menu and click on it to reveal more options. From the menu, select Preferences, which opens a list of customizable settings for your site. Scroll through the preferences to find the Show Block Breadcrumbs option. This setting is usually enabled by default and displays the breadcrumb trail at the top of your pages. To hide the breadcrumb, simply toggle this option off. Once disabled, the breadcrumb trail will no longer be visible to visitors, reducing visual clutter and giving your site a cleaner, more streamlined look. Hiding the breadcrumb is particularly helpful for creating a minimalist design or when the breadcrumb does not match your website's aesthetic. This adjustment also improves the mobile viewing experience by removing unnecessary navigation elements from smaller screens. Additionally, it can make your website appear more professional and polished, helping visitors focus on the most important content. Regularly reviewing your site settings and adjusting features like breadcrumbs ensures your WordPress site remains user-friendly and visually appealing. This simple adjustment ensures your visitors' focus stays on your content rather than on navigation elements. By following these steps, you have successfully hidden the breadcrumb on your WordPress site, enhancing the overall user experience and visual appeal. Enjoy your refined, clutter-free interface. Happy WordPress using.